Being a male, are you worried about the unwanted breast tissue on the body? Is your body suddenly gaining weight near the breast area, which is really not appealing being a man? This condition is called as gynecomastia. Hi, I'm Dr. Deepthi, consultant plastic surgeon, Eternelle Aesthetics, and today let's discuss elaborately about all the factors which could cause to this kind of growth in a male. Gynecomastia is a condition wherein we see abnormal growth of breast tissue in men. There could be abnormal deposition of fat in the chest area, and this also looks like a feminine kind of breast, which is not very appealing for a man. So, why do we develop these? First of all, when a boy hits puberty, there could be variable hormonal changes in the body. There should be a very appropriate estrogen to testosterone ratio in a man. When this gets altered due to initial puberty changes, then you could see some kind of growth in the breast tissue, and this usually is transient and temporary. Don't worry about it. Coming to estrogen and testosterone ratio, whatever causative factors disturb this ratio, this could be a leading cause for gynecomastia. More permanent causes of gynecomastia in the modern world could be certain dietary and lifestyle changes also. Whatever comes to disturb this estrogen and testosterone ratio can lead to development of a permanent breast tissue in a man. What disturbs the estrogen and testosterone ratio? In the modern days, we are hearing a lot about organic and unprocessed foods. If you're going overboard in terms of unprocessed foods, say suppose you're just having brown rice only, or if you're binging yourself on soy proteins or something, then these foods specifically have a higher component of estrogen. Make sure you have a well-balanced diet and not a estrogen dominant diet. That's one of the highest precursors in the modern days that we are seeing for development of gynecomastia. Coming to lifestyle changes, alcohol, smoking, drugs, marijuana, all these drugs specifically alter the estrogen and testosterone ratio. They increase the amount of estrogen that is being produced in the body and decrease the conversion of estrogen to testosterone in a male. This is why a man who's binging on alcohol develops gynecomastia over a period of time. Next most commonest cause that we are seeing is obesity. Junk foods. Junk foods have a high amount of processed food, and again processed food is a very high precursor for estrogen. So as the amount of junk food is increasing, as the amount of fat is depositing in your body, there is a strong tendency to increase the fat deposition in the breast area. So that's again one important reason for gynecomastia. Next comes to some compulsive reasons like having some kind of drugs like antidepressants or any kind of continuous hormonal medications can also alter the estrogen and testosterone ratio, and this again can lead to permanent kind of changes in the breast area. Last but not the least, definitely if you're seeing a sudden change in your breast tissue, if you're seeing a sudden rapid growth in gynecomastia, then please make sure you're not having some kind of tumors related to adrenal glands or some kinds of more complex changes in relation to your liver. Sometimes failure of liver can also stop the conversion of estrogen to testosterone and excessive deposition of estrogen, and that could be one reason why you're developing gynecomastia suddenly and more spontaneously. And one last thing is the genetic reason. If at all you're genetically unlucky in this aspect, then the only option you have is to go for excision. If you're facing a similar condition and you don't know what to do about it, or you have further doubts about the treatment process, please leave a comment below and I'll help you solving your issue. Do like, share and subscribe to Eternelle Aesthetics YouTube channel.